Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at what the Toniebox starter set has to offer, including its screen-free fun for kids, its easy-to-use design, and how it's built to last. So I'm going to get myself over to the lab to test this out ourselves. Now, this is a perfect alternative to using mobile phones and tablets, as it's able to entertain your little ones without using any screens. Now, the way it works is you just pop your character on top. Today we're using Paddington Bear, like that, and there we go. Everything starts to come to life. It creates this new world for your little ones to explore. The characters start speaking, music and stories play, so your little ones are going to be fully entertained, and there's not a screen in sight. Now, there's other characters available as well, like this little one in my pocket. We've got the Gruffalo. So there's loads of characters to choose from, and they're all suitable for different ages. So no matter how old your child is, they're going to be able to find the perfect character for them. Now, with the Creative Tony, you're actually able to record your own stories and download their favorite content. Now, the Toniebox starter set comes with everything you need. You have the Toniebox itself, the Creative Tony, and it comes with its own charging station. The Toniebox is super easy for your little ones to use, as your kids can swap between their favorite characters and then pop, tap, tilt to change chapters, skip forward and rewind. Now, you won't need to worry about bumps and tumbles either, as it's designed to be tough and grow with your kids, so it can withstand a lot of everyday use. And it's made of this super squishy, lovely material that makes it perfect to cozy up to before that one last bedtime story. If you want to find out more info on the Toniebox starter set, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.